Delicious Italian meatloaf recipe, a taste of Italy at home. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a culinary journey to Italy right from the comfort of our own kitchen. I can't wait to share with you this mouth-watering Italian meatloaf recipe that's going to transport your taste buds straight to Italy. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Step 1. Gathering the ingredients. Alright, before we dive into making this delectable Italian meatloaf, let's make sure we have all the ingredients ready. 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 pound ground pork, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup marinara sauce. Step 2. Mixing the meatloaf. Now that we've got everything we need, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start mixing our meatloaf. Trust me, the aroma of these Italian flavors coming together is just irresistible. Step 3. Adding the finishing touches. For that true Italian touch, we're generously topping our meatloaf with some luscious marinara sauce. This is where the magic really happens. Step 4. Baking to perfection. Our masterpiece is now ready for its time in the oven. We're going to let it bake to perfection, allowing those flavors to meld together and create a symphony of taste. Step 5. The grand reveal. The moment we've been waiting for. Our Italian meatloaf is out of the oven, looking and smelling absolutely incredible. Get ready to be blown away. And there you have it, our delightful journey to Italy through this amazing Italian meatloaf recipe. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes from around the world. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Until next time, happy cooking.